What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I am back with another video.
She got her up, shorty, should be that squishing the up. I'm feeling the vibe, she liking the style, keep it on the low. I bought the bar, she look like a star, we ready to toast. Shorty's bad, she really bad, she not one of those. She got her up, shorty's different, leave her alone. She got her up, shorty ain't tripping, she got her go. Shorty, she bad, she got it bad, she not one of those.
In today's video, we're going to be working with one of my #1 favorite hair companies, and that is Unice from Amazon, y'all. I was sent this 22-inch 13x4, I believe, skunk stripe wig, but y'all, I don't think I've ever received a wig like this with the blonde and red highlights all throughout the wig. This wig is hitting real different for me. And of course, I went in with a clean hairline, y'all. I didn't want no type of baby hair. It's something about the clean hairline that I've been feeling lately. So yeah, all I need is some lashes, and yeah, this look is it. But yeah, I went ahead and I tried to do the extra layers throughout the hair, you know. Celebrity hairstylists, I see them do that a lot, so I tried it, and yeah, I don't think I did anything in life with that. But that's neither here nor there, but this hair is bomb. You guys know how I feel about Unice. Unice have never did me wrong, y'all. Their wigs is always bomb. The lace, oh my god, it's popping. Lace is always popping Unice. At this point, nobody's touching their lace game. I feel like they have the thinnest lace on the market right now, y'all. And I don't know, something about this lace, like, it just melts so perfect. Like, it's my hair going on my scalp, y'all. But like I said, I have never ever had anything bad to say about Unice. I love their hair. You guys already know I will always highly recommend this hair. Curls is holding up good and all that good stuff. It's this color for me, y'all. I can't wait to install this wig again for fall, because I will be installing this wig for fall and doing a look, because these colors together is just hitting. It's just hitting different. But y'all, if you are interested in the same exact wig, the link will be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you're interested on how I got this look, continue watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.